Most productivity apps treat you like a project manager. They want lists, deadlines, status updates, but real life isn't a project. It's a quiet stream of small things you keep meaning to do. This is HID, a gentle personal assistant for what you forget. HID opens on today. There are no streaks, no progress bars, no demands, just what actually matters today. Sorted by what's at risk first. Pay my Nilad bill. If you have already paid the Meralco bill, check. Just check them. Call mom. You usually call every Sunday. He knows your patterns not because you log them, because the assistant watched. Three things make Hit agentic, not just a chatbot with retrieval. First, cadence learning. The call mom task on Chel's list says every 7 days. She didn't set that. There's no explicit cadence on this task. A second agent, the memory keeper, inferred the rhythm from her actual completion history. So when a user add a task, there's an option here to let Hid learn it. So Hid watches when you complete this and figures out the right rhythm, and no schedule needed. Second, context-aware planning. Hid knows about Shell's Singapore trip because she told it. When she asks why did she skip her morning routine, Hid doesn't just count misses, it correlates. He knows what days you skipped. Hid also proposes action. The user says, lighten my routine. Hid proposes a smaller version, drops the long items, keeps the keystone ones as a structured action she can confirm with one tap. Third, the calendar reads like a story, not a spreadsheet. Routines show us a 7 day straight grid. You can see which mornings you actually were yourself this week. Tap any task, and the detail expands in line. No overlay, no half hidden buttons. Reschedule, mark done, skip, the card pushes content down instead of covering it. And the monthly retrospective tells you what Hid has been quietly noticing. Cadences that shifted, things you keep skipping, the patterns you might want to look at. Ask Hid on what you're forgetting, and Hid saves the day. Hid's threat model covers prompt injection, direct and indirect through Bing. User type task names are wrapped in clearly labeled XML before they enter the model's context. So they're treated as data, not instructions. Bing results pass through a sanitizer, a smaller model with a strict prompt that extracts only factual entities and drops anything that looks like an instruction. Goals and events live in life. Singapore trip, 5 prep tasks, 26 days out, save 50,000, he tracks the progress ring and lets me log savings inline. When a plan completes, there's a celebration moment. Petals, the owl reacts, then it moves to past plans. Small detail, but it matters. You can also ask Hid for advice regarding your plans. He also proposes actions based on your plans. And if you have questions that things Hid you will ask him, there are also follow-up questions here. Some days just feels heavy, and Hid has a low day mode. The whole interface shifts, pairing tail palette, camera color story, and a banner at the top, and a check-in nudge when you're ready. No guilt, no asking why. The visual language tells the user Hid is going gentle. When you feel better, you just tap a single button to ease back in. Hid uses two models from Azure AI Foundry. The OpenAI GPT 5.4, it powers the advisor, multi-step reasoning, tool calls, planning across days. OpenAI GPT 5.4 Mini handles fast paths, capture parsing, and a memory keeper that learns my cadences in the background. For the stack, I use Next.js 14 PWA on Azure Static Web Apps, Python Azure Functions on Consumption Plan. Cosmos DB for state, Azure AI search for vector retrieval, Azure OpenAI for the LLMs, rounding with Bing for web facts, Key Vault for secrets via managed identity, no API keys in source, all are synthetic data and no PII anywhere.